Hey there, Kaikane Smith here. Today I'm going to answer a question that I get pretty much on a daily basis. However, I'll make this one a bit more personal and direct as it comes from an individual named Trisha in my hometown of Hollywood, Los Angeles. Trisha asks, Kaikane, how much money can you make teaching ESL, English as a Second Language, abroad at a language school in a good money-making country? Trisha, babe, it's simple. The more you work, the more money you make, right? Wrong. As you should know by now, Trisha, it really all depends on what school you get into, in what country, and in what city. Oh, and your education and experience as well, in some, if not most cases. For example, when I was working at Berlitz in Tokyo a bit back, I was pulling in about 750,000 yen a month, which is roughly about 7,500 US dollars. And that's not including the money I made teaching private English lessons part-time either. At the time I started teaching overseas, I was 22, young, smart, and full of, However, I busted ass and pulled 12, sometimes 14-hour days at my Berlitz language school I was based at and raked in a clean 7,500 US dollars a month, guys, just from the ELC job alone. Private English lessons were around another 3,000 US dollars plus a month, so roundabout total of 9,000 to 10,000 US dollars a month is possible. Crazy coin for a 22-year-old, right? Hell yeah. Unfortunately, in Japan, guys, and with many other places, currently, this cash app is no longer possible at ESL language schools as the payment system and economy is majorly screwed among them. You'll be making probably around 3,000 to 4,000 max if you are lucky and follow my advice and personal plans. Then again, it all depends on the school you are at and the city you are in, guys. So keep that in mind. Just one example from the above, the many places around the world I made bank at teaching English, and you can too. Just stick to a firm plan and don't give up. Anything is possible as long as you stick to it. Plain and simple, folks. Well, that's a wrap, chaps. Be sure to check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com, and get my book if you haven't. Also, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find an ESL job abroad and make tons of money in the process, then please feel free to book an email or Skype consultation via my website. You awesome people have a lovely day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. I've got thousands to put up, so stay tuned. Till next time, peace out.